And then what you're going to do is you'll right click on it and choose this one here. And you're going to go to consolidate transcode. So what you're doing is you're transcoding this to the project framework. So I'm going to hit that to make sure it's set to transcode. I'm going to move it to, I'll put it on your media drive just because it would be hard. Put it on the 306 drive, that'll be fine. You're going to leave the dimension, make sure you're converting to the project frame rate. That's the whole reason you're doing this. And go ahead and do it as a 1-for-1. When we do offline editing stuff, that would be different. But for the purpose of tasks here, you're going to do a 1-for-1. And then you just go ahead and hit transcode. You're going to convert it because you want it to be the project's frame rate. So you can then apply your time work to it. Okay. This will become easier when we set up an active project correctly. So there's reasons I do certain things in hopes that it's resonates a little bit more with you all. You're going to notice then that the high transcoded clip here is the .new.01. So if for any reason I drop that in here, you're going to see it's different because it's .new.01. It's also different because now it's a source clip within your project as opposed to me linking to that clip because I transcoded it, so I made it a different frame rate. I then can go into my text palette and drop my Timewarp. You'll see that it applies to it, and then can go into my motion effects editor and work with my graphs here. Okay. No, that's a lot of this already. I just need to present it to you all, and then I'll make it available for you to look at. We don't need any other. No, you're good. So you all have the rest of class to mess around with these effects to start to put your minute convert. That warning should come up. Let me know what questions you may have, because you also have the other opportunity of transcoding the sequence as a whole too. And so you can find wherever the sequence may be, and you can actually transcode your sequence as well. So that way you can work with a whole converted sequence. But I would say you want to make sure you're close to down. And then transcoding does take some time to go to.